Hello, everybody. Great to see you here. So we are talking about transforming of welding quality inspection for a very interesting client working in the defense industry. So it's a bit difficult to have them here on stage, but we're going to tell a little bit about what we did here and about the results and success for our client. So this is Tim.
Hi.
He's from Invert. He's our partner in that project. I'm Jürgen from DXC. We brought this project towards our client, and then we, via a very good scouting from Startup Autobahn, we found a couple of nice startups, and the best one is here now on stage, the best one for this solution. So what is the challenge of the customer? I said it's defense, and I can tell you it has something to do with submarines. Submarines, big stuff, a lot of weldings, manual weldings, and you can imagine everybody wants to be sure that those weldings are high quality, especially when you are diving. It's very important. So, and they do a lot of manual work to do the quality assessment and quality inspection, mainly with their X-ray stuff. So we had a discussion with the client, trying to understand the challenge of the client, and then we found a good solution to reduce, on the one hand side, cost for the client, but also, and this is a very important part of this project, is to take care about worker safety. I will tell you in a second maybe a bit of more on this one. So we did a business case study, we did the scouting, we did the technical evaluation. We, in this sense, means DXC, together with the client. And the solution, you can see here, it looks like this. So the solution brought to the client a much more accuracy in their quality inspection. It streamlined also the procedure. Now it was mainly a manual process, also in documentation and reporting stuff. This is now also digitalized. And also what I said, protect the inspectors. So they have to go into a submarine. And submarine is like 10 meters diameter of a size, and they needed to be in, do all that stuff there, and for one welding around the submarine, there was 52 times they have to go inside, make the X-ray inspection, and yeah, so that was dangerous for the people, and it's expensive, as you can imagine. So that's why we found a solution. And Tim, up to you.
Yeah, thanks, Jürgen. So I'm Tim, the CTO of Invert Robotics, and what we do is we actually build these very special robots. Yes, I know it looks like Wall-E guys, everyone says that. And what we do is we build non-magnetic crawling robots. So this is in here, and what we do is we plug in sensors to it in order for people to go and do non-destructive testing. So in this project, part of the non-destructive testing side is carrying X-ray systems. So we deliver services around the world. We build these robots 100% from scratch, and we're an Irish company, but as you see, we have offices all over the world, and we are very, very active in food and beverage, aviation, defense, and in aerospace.
So I think I briefly mentioned that how we work together, but to show it here on once again on the slide. So this is our client. Together with Invert Robotics, we, as mentioned, we did a technical evaluation. We did a POC for the client. To be honest, we had two solutions in mind at the beginning. There were selected two solutions, somehow similar to what Invert is doing. But finally, in terms of the business case and the technology for magnetic and non-magnetic environments, makes the deal with Invert now, and as mentioned, we did an on-site POC, and I think about the real-life situation, up to you, Tim.
So after the proof of concept, we demonstrated all that technology as it is, and we came up with a technical solution. So this is the technical solution here. where we had our robot and we had a trailer on the back. And what the trailer did is it held the X-ray system, and it allowed them to do a fully automated scan. So that's going from 55 plus scans down to 4. So we built the system in 3 months, we installed it in 3 days, and now it's been in production for 3 months already. So it's building real submarines, which is really cool. So in the end, yeah, our benefits is up to 93% reduction in time, which is a real cost saver. We increased our quality, 70%, and in the end, they were doing it all manually with bits of paper, and now we're digitizing. And the good thing about the client now is they're looking at all our other robotic solutions. So they have a non-magnetic system, and now they're looking for our magnetic system. So we're working with them to integrate the X-ray better and also produce new inspection systems into their business.
So that's it. Our time is over, I see. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, our booth is right behind you. You can find us where the robot is. Looking forward to a discussion with you guys. Thank you very much.
And if you have an Xbox, you can play.
Thank you, DC. Thank you, Invert Robotics. Really amazing project.